Hello everyone, in today's session we're going to talk about a new feature on our hosted payment pages, which is a top-up request. When you as a merchant operate the wallet through our APIs, you have the ability to allow your end users to top up to a third-party wallet within the system. So in order to do that, you'll use the regular hosted page integration, but adding additional parameters that will trigger the top-up event in our system. So we built a small project here just for the demonstration. So I'll first load a regular payment page API request, which will open our payment page with all the different payment methods available. Clicking on the card payments, in this case, will show us only the card details to be inputted, which the added details already pre-submitted by the API request. As you can see, there's no indication about the wallet, deposit, etc. So we'll just refresh the page and go to our code. This sample project was built the integration in JavaScript that allows us to add dynamic parameters, etc. We can see here that the signature creation currently does not include anything related to the top-up. So what we're going to do, simply in this case, add the isTopUp parameter to our request string, and to the signature the value of the request. So when sending isTopUp equals 1, this will tell our backend that this is indeed a top-up request, and we'll add the additional parameters to the API. Remember, it's very important to place the top-up parameter and the value at literally the same position in the signature and the string after the brand parameter in my example. So going back to our page, I'll just refresh my code, and by clicking try it now, it will open the same payment page, but when choosing credit cards, you'll see that the top-up details section has been added. So for the sake of the example, we'll use one of our test cards with the expiration date, CVV, and the recipient email. So in this case, I would like to top up my account, and the account provider will be 1. Usually as a merchant, you'll receive from the PSP the account provider ID to begin with, and by sending it through the API, this parameter will disappear. But for the sake of the demo, we kept it visible so we can demonstrate it better. We click the pay. This will start a transaction. Once a transaction gets approved, the wallet, the funds will be automatically allocated to the wallet, and in case fees are applied to that account configuration, they will be deducted. So now that we have a successful transaction completed, let's go to our admin, and let's see the balance top up. So in this case, we'll go finance balance. And as we can see from this time, the user that was received, that was searched by the email that we inputted, just received a top-up request of 47 British pounds because there was a currency conversion configured on the MID itself. So it configured from the euro request that we sent into GBP in terms of the account itself. If there were fees, we can see in additional examples here below. Fees would have been applied to the account and allocated to the debit company system. Transaction-wise, it was processed like any other transaction, but automatically allocated to the account. So if we take the account and go now, accounts, customer management, we can search for the account by, account ID. And then we can see under the account balance transactions, the total balance in GBP that was already accumulated, and shows us the latest transaction, an additional deposit of 47 pounds. Thank you very much everybody for checking out our top-up requests. Of course, check out our other videos on the channel to learn more about transaction routing, risk rule management, templates, and much more. Thank you very much.